how to follow users on Bluesky. Firstly, on your browser, search for Bluesky and click on the first link. After going to the official website, make sure that you are signed in or logged in to your account. Now in your home page, you can scroll down to see your feed. If you like anything on your feed, then simply click on the user. Now click on the follow button right here. If you want to get notified when they post, then click on the bell icon. You can select if you want to get notified for post or replies. Then click on Save Changes to save. If you want to unfollow this user, then simply click on the button again. And just like that, you can follow an user on Bluesky. If you have a name in your head which you want to follow, then simply go to the search bar and search for the user. From the panel at the top, click on People to see users. Let me search for something else. Here I have searched John. In the People section, there are users also. Go to their profile and repeat the process again. That's all for today. Thank you.